How to start a faceless YouTube channel using AI, step by step. What if I told you that you can start a YouTube channel without showing your face, without expensive equipment, and still make money using AI? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a faceless YouTube channel using AI, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to make money online using AI, automation, and smart digital strategies, you're in the right place. Today you'll learn what a faceless YouTube channel is, the best niches for faceless channels, the AI tools you need, how to create, upload, and monetize videos. Let's get started. Section 1. What is a faceless YouTube channel? A faceless YouTube channel is a channel where you don't appear on camera, you don't use your own voice, AI does most of the work. Examples: motivation channels, facts channels, AI news, finance explainers, tech tutorials. These channels can make $500 to $10,000 per month when done right. Choose a profitable faceless niche. Here are beginner-friendly faceless niches: motivation and success, AI and tech news, finance and money tips, facts and top 10 videos, health and lifestyle, quotes and storytelling. Tip: pick a niche that is searchable, evergreen, monetizable. Section 3. AI tools you need, mostly free. Essential AI tools: ChatGPT, scripts and ideas, InVideo AI, Pictory, videos, ElevenLabs, PlayHT, AI voice, Canva, thumbnails, YouTube Studio, upload and analytics. You don't need expensive software. Section 4. Step-by-step video creation process. Step 1. Generate video ideas. Ask ChatGPT, give me 20 faceless YouTube video ideas in the motivation niche. Step 2. Write the script prompt example. Write a 3-minute motivational script for YouTube. Step 3. Create AI voiceover. Paste script into ElevenLabs. Choose a natural-sounding voice. Export audio. Step 4. Create the video upload script, plus voice to InVideo AI. Select visuals. Generate video automatically. Step 5. Design the thumbnail. Use Canva. Bold text, 3 to 5 words. High contrast colors. Section 5. Uploading and optimization. Very important. Title, formula, emotional, plus keyword, plus curiosity. Example: this AI habit changed my life forever. Description: first 2 lines. Shout hook. Explain video value. Add keywords, tags. Use niche keywords, plus AI keywords. Section 6. How to monetize a faceless channel. Monetization methods: YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, digital products, sponsored videos, YouTube automation services. You can monetize before AdSense. Section 7. Upload schedule for growth. Best beginner strategy: 3 to 5 videos per week. Consistent style. Same niche, consistency beats perfection. Section 8. Common beginner mistakes: using copyrighted videos or music, posting random niches, quitting too early, overthinking tools, YouTube rewards, consistency and watch time. Starting a faceless YouTube channel with AI is one of the smartest online moves right now. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more AI YouTube tutorials, comment faceless if you want a full setup checklist. See you in the next video.